So my name is Jasper Fox and I've been doing it since about January time.
Nice. And how's it going?
It's going really well. We're currently on our first BRR for refurbish. So we've been doing that about 3 weeks now. So it's stripped back to all how it needs to be. And I'm currently finding my rent to rent. So
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Wow, so is it like an overdrive that you do this at such a young age?
Yes, it is. Yeah. Well, as soon as I've mentioned it to my dad, my whole family was on board, and it's been pretty much like really good since then.
And what do you want to do in the future?
So as soon as I'm 18, I want to be buying my first house on a residential mortgage, then doing a flip on that as it's tax-free. So when I get to that point, that's what I'll be doing.
Right, and it surprised you that the average age to buy a house in the UK is like 37 and you'll be 18. So
Yeah, I'm going to be very pleased about that, yeah.
and what would you say to someone who's looking to get involved?
I'd say whatever you're thinking about it, just do it. Don't hesitate, because that's what I did. As after about 2 months, I left school, so just do it.